Let's create a Ubuntu 22.04 Jammy instance in Google Cloud. In the Google console, find Compute Engine. Here we create an instance. Change the name to Ubuntu Jammy. In boot disk, change. Find Ubuntu. This is the Jammy 22.04. Select. We can create. Oh, here's the command line. Create. We need to wait for a few seconds until the instance is ready. You can try to refresh. Okay, it looks this machine is already okay. We can connect to this machine through SSH. Let's do it. Yeah, succeed. Let's check the kernel version. Exit. Then we shut down the machine.